As some of you may already know, this is Expert Option, and this is the same platform that I have traded a $5,000 into $109,900. This is my current balance. Trust me, guys, this is not demo accounts. Of course, you can see demo accounts here. In this particular video, I want to teach you, even as a beginner, how to also make money trading on Expert Option. First thing first, you go to the description of this video and download this application. There is going to be a link there. You can also check your Play Store or your App Store, EO Broker. That is the application I'm talking about. Once you get registered, you will be given a $10,000 demo account. Well, the essence of using a demo account is for you to learn how to do this thing, for you to practice the strategy, for you to, get yourself acquainted to the platform. And of course, I have a free Telegram channel where I drop signals, I drop updates, and I teach you how to do these things subsequently every day, like every single day. There's also going to be a link in the description that you can join that channel. There are over 11,000 persons that are on that channel taking advantage of the free informations that I drop. Now, as a beginner or somebody who is not familiar with this platform, how does it work? If you are here, you're going to see that there are several pairs at the top of your screen. You can trade currencies here, you can trade indices, you can trade stocks here, and commodities. It depends on what you want to trade. For example, we have euro dollar at the top, and this percentage you see at the front, 87%, is how much you're going to be making per trade. A lot of you might not know, but expert option or options trading is limited with time. Unlike perpetual trading or other kinds of derivative trading, this one is limited with time. This means if you enter a trade for 1 minute, after 1 minute, you're either going to make profit or you would lose that trade. So it is not something you would have to be staring at your PC or your mobile device for the whole day. You can go into a trade for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, of course, your fate is going to be decided, whether you're winning or losing. But we do proper analysis and good speculations so that we always win a trade. For example, if I am predicting that this price action would go up in the next few seconds, I will do up. Okay, I just did it buy? Okay, now I just bought. In the next few seconds, if it closes above my entry, then I am going to win this trade. But if it closes below my entry, I am going to lose the trade because I did a buy. When you do a buy, you are speculating that the price would go up. And as long as it remains up, you are going to be in profit. It is as simple as that. So the analysis you need to do here is to get a better price prediction on what is going to happen in the market. So, like we were saying, this is where you select the pair you want to trade. The percentage is how much you're going to make from each trade that you win. All right? And below the screen, let this trade be done with. Then I will show you, or I will tell you more about how to enter trade. We have less than 5 seconds, 3 seconds to definitely winning this trade. Of course, we want this one. You can see 93 in profit. Now, below the screen, you can see where amount is. That is $50 that I used. If you used $50 or any amount you put here, let's say $100, I am going to make this percentage when I win that trade, which is 87%. So 87% of $50 plus my initial $50. That's what gave us the 93. That was the total, right? So any pair you want to trade, you can select them here. There is also crypto. You can see Ethereum. There's also Bitcoin here, Smarty, and so on. But we prefer to trade the one that has high percentage in profit. And right here is the time frame that you want to trade. For the trade we just did, it was for few seconds. This is 1 minute, which means the trade is going to last for just 1 minute. This is 1 minute, 30 seconds. This is 2 minutes. And it depends on your analysis, which is something you are subsequently going to be learning on this channel. So don't forget to hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel because there's going to be a lot coming your way, yeah? So if you select the time frame, let's say 1 minute, every trade, like I said, is going to last for 1 minute. And there is down, which is red here. There is up, which is green. This red button signifies that you are speculating price would go down. So if you go into a trade with the down button, if you go into the sell, it means you would only make profit if the price is below your entry. If you go into a speculation of buy, you would only make profit when the price is above your entry. It doesn't matter the level at which it is at, As long as it is slightly above your buy entry, you are in profit. You're going to win that trade. Even though it is slightly below your sell entry, you are going to win that trade. And this is just a summary to how the platform works. Now, there are several indicators, several tools, several things here that can help you get a better prediction. But let's not be too fast here, especially for those of us that are just coming into the platform. First thing first, use the link and download expert option. Join my Telegram channel. You can start practicing with the signals that I'm going to be dropping using the demo account. Then when you're convinced enough, you can make a deposit with my promo code. Then you will get as high as 120% bonus when you make that deposit. For example, you put in $500 or $200, you get you get like double of your deposit amount. And you can be taking these free signals in my channel. But before I leave your faces, let me quickly do one entry for us. You can see we have had so much buy. I am going to do a sell for few seconds with $100, of course. Now, where's the entry? Has he entered? Why is it not showing me here? Okay, I am actually in a trade, but it's not showing me on this. Let me go again. Yeah, so this one is definitely showing me. You can see all I need to win this trade is the price being below my entry. At this point, we should just wait. Have I mentioned that in my Telegram channel, we also do live meetings twice every week where I teach you how you can use some of these tools. This is the line candlesticks. There are indicators here, which I have, I've been preaching about. We also have some of these drawings, which you can implement, how to use several strategies. We do challenges, and it's been really awesome. You see, I just want this straight. Subscribe, yeah? You don't want to miss any.